Today, we'll talk about how to trade very complex setups and rallies. We will use our best trading strategy with our best trading view indicator. If you're ready, let's do this. When I was looking at the top gainers, I noticed the hook coin. It was not the number one top gainer, but it had a really interesting price action. If you're ready, let's observe the price action and talk more about this coin. The daily chart was really interesting first of all. Price was trying to fulfill this imbalance area and try to tap the order block above. There was this intense buyer power kept pushing the coin higher and higher. If we just zoom in the area, you can notice that price was using imbalances and occasional support and resistance flip areas to move upwards. So, as you can see here, what do we have? We have a strong daily power and we have strong daily bias. Great high time frame analysis with certain direction. It is time to use our best indicator, the ICT high time frame candles. Before we start, please check this indicator. It has gotten many updates and fixes recently. Try to update it when you have time. As you can see, our indicator shows that the earliest rally started at the way bottom with these three imbalance tap areas. And that second leg of the rally started right in the middle with the imbalances again. And the last and the third rally, again the same structure. So what we're gonna do is we will observe the rally 2 and rally 3 and talk more about entry models. Now, this is the close-up chart in 1 minute time frame. This is where the rally 2 started. Sorry about my mistake. It is supposed to be labeled it as rally 2. And the last and the final rally again right here. Again, I meant the rally 3 here. Sorry about the wrong label. But you got the idea anyway. So these two locations are where the price fell into multiple imbalance points in the momentum chart. If you look at this larger image, you will get a much better idea. On the left, we have 1 minute chart, and on the right, we have 30 minute, 45 minutes, and 1 hour charts. All charts in the one single screen. You can see the sniper precision. This is why we keep talking about the importance of combining high and low time frames together before taking any kind of trades. So, if we look at the first entry area, we kind of have a small structure break or a masterclass price switch with a large, big imbalance. I actually built a setup here, a very simple 2-hour setup, but the price never pulled back deeply. Buyers were so strong and the price flew away without me. And the next rally point, the same thing, the same similar structure happened. This time we also had this great support and resistance flip area. So at the end, as you notice, what we do here is not very or extremely complicated. We use one strategy and one indicator and looking for the same or similar setups over and over again. So what is the problem then? The biggest problem we are facing is time. Waiting for the right setup takes too much time sometimes. I think the biggest challenge of all traders in the world is the time itself, and unfortunately we cannot fix this. Okay friends, hope you are doing really great and have an amazing Sunday. Please take care and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.